Hey, what's up everybody? We're on my Sonic Jet Delta, restoring it. Thanks for watching these things, appreciate it. So I got the engine out, of course, you can see. Been cleaning the hull out, slow going. This thing was really nasty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull these fuel tanks out, clean them out, see what they look like. There's a panel that goes here. I had pulled that off the other day, and obviously that's how you access the fuel tank. It looks like I'll be able to slide it right out here and then up. I haven't pulled this side yet, as you can see, so I'm gonna have to do that here in a few minutes. So yeah, my wiring harness cut. That's awesome. Obviously I gotta replace speaker. Got other stuff to do. Hey look, somebody left a beer bottle on my boat. Ain't that nice? Up there, I'm gonna go through and clean all that, redo all the electrical. I got new wiring harnesses and stuff, so I can do all that. But to get to the top part of your fuel tanks, I gotta replace my gas cap. Oh yeah, pop-up cleats. Great. What I like too is the step ladder here. I'll get new foam for all this stuff. Boom. So to get to access to your fuel tanks and your connections from the top, under the fishing rod holders, hey, yeah, put that one on backwards. You pull these screws here. These are Phillips. Pull those. Hey, look, I even pressure washed that. You want to see a comparison? There's one that I cleaned. This is disgusting, people. That's one that hasn't been cleaned. Oh, look, I got a little ant nest going on here. There's no food or nothing even around this thing. This is what this boat looked like. Oh, look. Nice. Yeah, so that hole looked like that. I've been scrubbing, cleaning. So let me move that over here. So we've got the fill hose. That's the vent. And in this boat, you can see it's totally destroyed. But these used to actually go right here, which would be up under the seat. So I have to get some new fittings for that. Both sides are the same way. And then this right here is my fuel line, which goes to my fuel valve. Left, right, off. So yeah, let's rock and roll here. Let's loosen these up. This tank seems to be a lot cleaner, so this is where we'll start. Oh, let's see here. All right, let's loose. And then we got the fuel sender, which is probably broken. I would say that's crap. I can disconnect that right there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and disconnect that. I hope I remember what I got a video of. Huh. Let's pull some of these hoses off. Oh, that slipped right off. What the heck? What is this? Huh. Plumber's tape? That's awesome. Nice. Suck air. That's great. Like I said, there's so much stuff that's been rigged up on this vessel. I'm gonna have to go through and figure it all out. There's another hose I'll be replacing here. It's almost brittle. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna replace all these fuel lines. I don't know about this. Let's take a look. Let's see if I can pull this off. There we go. What do we look like here? Wow. Seems like it's pretty clean. This one goes to the front of the tank, so I have to get up there, take a look at it. Let me jump up here. Let's see. Oh. All right. Strap here. Strap here. Just like that. Can't access. Oh wow. Here we go. Slide this guy right out of here. Well, it sounds easy. So I've only got one hand to do this with. You know what? I'll just climb down in here. Climbing into the bilge. I'm just getting hung up here. That fitting. So if I come forward, I can't clear that. So I gotta go back. Wow, this thing's disgusting. That's not gonna work. How about this way? This hose is gonna be the bane of my existence today, I think. So why won't this? There's clearance. Oh, there's this bracket right here. This little guy. You guys can see this, but just use my finger to spin this. I don't want to get back down. Let's get a driver. Come on. Almost there. Wonderful. Okay, so now what's my problem? Wow. So let's go back out first. Here we go. And here's our fuel tank. Looks nice and clean. Yeah, right. Let's see. That's awesome. Yeah, it's just mud. Yep. All right. So this thing. Cut myself open. Nice. Messing with this thing, I better get a tetanus shot. All right, let me jump down. Ugh. That's awesome looking. I just wonder how clean everything is. I'm gonna pull this off because that looks like garbage. Hey, look, that terminal just broke off. Sorry about the blood. Let me rinse that off. So looking down in here, oof, you guys don't think you can see all that. So looking down in here, there's a lot of big chunks of stuff in here. Can't quite tell either. So that actually, hey, look at that, it looks like it was shorting out. I'm sure that's always good, especially inside of a fuel tank, right? This little sucker, that's so rusted on there. So you know what we do for that? I'm gonna try to save this wiring harness. That's the only reason why we'll do that. Oops, a little too much. Little PB blaster. Bam. I'll let that soak. You could soak over there. Oh, actually, no, I can't. I'm gonna pressure wash this tank on the outside. I'll pressure wash it. So I think I should probably put this back in. I'm just gonna put it in to try to keep some of the water out. Keep some of the water out of there. And yeah, so that's how you pull a fuel tank out. Now for cleaning it, see, I can't see anything that's going on in there. I'm gonna have to, like I said, pressure wash it. Then I'll be able to see if there's like any varnish or anything like that. So I guess what I'll do now, where's my little spray bottle? I got some Zep cleaner here. This stuff's potent. So let's give this thing a good little soak. I'm not too worried about water getting inside of it right now. I'll drain it out and dry it. I got a while before I actually need it. So let's just give it a good soak. This is gonna need a long soak. What happened to my spray? There it goes. Alright guys, I'm not gonna bore you with the pressure washing, but I'll try to remember to pick this video back up here in a little while. Show you guys what the inside of the tank looks like. Yeah, you can see it's already working wonders. Hey, I just happen to have a brush right here. Just think the other tank next to it is even worse. Ha! Alright, y'all. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Alright, so a little pressure washing. And you can tell the difference. A lot cleaner already. Oh, missed a big spot. Bam. That was just a light, quick pressure wash job. I'll scrub it again some more, but I'm pretty tired today. Let's see if I can see down in there. Nothing really. Let me pull this off again and I'll stick my camera down there now. Let's see what we get. Yeah, looks like there's a little bit of funk up in there. Oops. Fuel strainer's clean. That's weird, because see that fuel strainer? I found something that looked just like it in the bilge. Wonder if it's from the other one. But I don't really see no varnish buildup. That tank actually looks really clean. I'm gonna just hit it with with the pressure washer, I think, and then just let it drain out here, because it's a low point. So if I flip it over, all the water will drain, and I've got a bunch of time for it to do that. So now this one is gonna be nightmare. That looks so bad. But hey, so it looks like they actually might have winterized this thing, because there's nothing left in that tank. It's clean. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna clean up for the day. Here's where the fuel pump or the fuel tank sits. Up in here. I got a lot of cleaning to do there. I have to get some more of those straps. Probably gonna get some more of this rubber padding as well. That's okay. That's cracked, but that's just a little cover. So yeah, we're getting there. One piece at a time. Piece at a time. I need some investors in this thing to help out with it. There's the fuel filter. That wasn't even hooked up, or the fuel separator. That wasn't even hooked up when I got it. Here's the bilge pump switch. It's controlled by air. It was. You can tell this. This has seen better days. So the other end of this tube, just pull some off, just a zip tie. So the end of that tube right there, just a little bit of air. It's a little diaphragm that sits down in the bilge, and then when the water pressure moves the diaphragm in that changes the air pressure in this tube, which then I guess pushes up against the diaphragm inside of this, and then turns the bilge on. The other end of that, oh, let's see here. The other end of that is that black thing right there. That's my drain hole right there. So that little hose, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little nipple on that. That hose goes right on there. The bilge pump was mounted right there. And that bilge pump is old. Let's see, where is it at? Here's the bilge pump. That's pretty hefty too. It's got some weight to it. But I imagine this thing pushes some water. A lot of water. I might actually clean this up and reuse it. It works. I mean, I powered it up and it spins. It spins up good. We'll put that there. There's my busted bimini top I ripped up. Darn shame. I'm gonna get that rebuilt as well. Of course, my engine. So yeah, my phone's soaking wet. Oops. That's all. So that's my roadmap, I guess, till I get some funds to progress on the engine. I'm gonna just do some body work, cleaning, stuff like that. I don't know what this wood is here for. For screws. That's weird. Huh. I don't know if that's original or aftermarket. I don't know. Who knows? I guess I can start messing with the jet pump. I'll drain it, change the fluid, see what happens. I don't know what this is. That's weird. It's a little concerning. Somebody welded this thing. I don't know why. I guess when I get in here, take this sucker apart. Let's see, can I lift it? No, I'd have to get up there and move it, but yeah, that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Good day. Catch you in the next video.